Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. Car sounds awesome. The steering wheel doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. It's nice and straight. Alignment feels good. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the exhaust crackles a little bit. Car shifts nice and smooth. I have no complaints with how it drives. Really fun. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, it is pitted throughout all the edges and in the barrel. And then you're gonna see some on the face of it as well. Looking at the fender here, you do have some chips right there. Overall, that looks good. Mirror looks nice. You do have a scuff right there, if you can see that. And it looks like right on the very edge here, you can see a little scratch in the paint actually that took some paint off. Got a chip here, chip there. Couple small ones. Overall, that looks good. Looks like a gash in the paint here. And then this wheel does have the pitting on the edges as well. And in the barrel. And looking at the top, that's in great condition. All of that looks really nice. Got the tempered back glass. That top looks amazing. Very clean. All right, looking at the front, it is missing the emblem. It looks like it broke off here, and then there's a clear hole there. A little bit of runs in the paint. That looks awesome. Very small chip here. Overall, that hood is in great condition. Looks like another chip right there. A small one here. Looking at the lights, they are cracked right there. And then you do have some spider cracking in the bumper. You have a scratch here, some spider cracking right there, and some cracks there. Got a few chips here. That light's cracked. You got some gashes there. And looking at the engine bay, looks really good. All right, looking at this side. Here on this wheel, there is a lot of corrosion. Looking at the fender, a small scratch there. Otherwise, it's in great shape. A couple small scuffs on the mirror, a little scratch there. That trim looks awesome. Overall, the door looks good. Quarter panel area looks nice. course, you're gonna have some chips on that lower section. This wheel has a lot of corrosion as well. Overall, that upper section looks good. All right, here on the back side, that taillight looks good. That one looks nice. Brake light's clean. That looks good, and that looks nice. Got a small scuff on the edge. Otherwise, that bumper looks good. All of that's in great condition. That looks good. Got the amp back there and a 12-disc player. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. You're missing the little trim that goes in there. Those buttons look amazing. Got the Bose audio. Overall, that door panel is really clean. You do have some scuffs on the plastic here. A couple on this trim. Overall, the seats look good. Got your typical wrinkles. Looking at the steering wheel, looks nice. Those buttons look good. Those are nice and clean. All of those look really nice. Shifter looks good. This side looks really, really nice. Here on the passenger door panel, that's in great condition. All of this looks good. Carpets are clean. Overall, the seats are in really good condition as well. Looking at the console, that looks good. That looks nice. Overall, very clean.